Today we're going to take these hui or gourds which we've grown and give them a bit of a clean up. Now that they're nice and dry, just want to get the outer skin off, and to do that I'm basically just going to take a bucket of water and fill that up, and then I'm going to soak these for a couple of hours. As they float, I'm just going to put a towel over them first in the water, and that will hold them down somewhat. Keep them moist all over till the next bit.
This hui here actually had a paper thin outer wall, so it didn't make it through the process, so you've got to be careful. So whilst they're soaking in water, we've got the towel over top of them. Towel is completely wet, and this is just to ensure that the outer skin of the hui or gourd is completely wet for this duration. I'm normally keeping them in here for about 4 hours, and then from there basically get to it with an abrasive cloth to take the outer surface or outer skin off. Once completely dry, I coat them in a light satin polyurethane just to seal the outer exterior.